Hey guys, this is Arty, Crafty, Josie. Today I'm making these really cool sun prints. I cut up an old pillowcase. First step, wet the fabric. I don't want it to drip, so I'm squeezing it a little bit. You might want to protect your surface with a bin bag, but we didn't do that, and at the end I'll show you how cool my table looks. Lay your fabric flat on the table and paint it with runny paint. We didn't measure it exactly, but we added about 1 to 2 parts water and 1 part paint, so it's runny but still bright. Keep your fabric wet. If it starts to dry out, just spray it with some water. Place the leaf on top and stick it with some more paint. The better it's stuck on, the better the print. I'm all done and now I'm leaving it to dry. It's windy, so I placed rocks on the fabric, but be careful, the rocks will also make a print. It's all dry and now I'm peeling the leaves off. How does it work? The sun makes the water in the fabric evaporate, but the water can't evaporate from under the leaf. So instead, it moves to the drier area around the leaf and takes the paint with it. So the area under the leaf has less paint, and that makes the print. Here are the finished prints. And look how cool my table looks. Like and subscribe for more videos, and bye!